students. Now, let us study some examples based on heuristic approach. In question 5, such type of example can be asked in Maths 1 and Maths 2 paper. Heuristic approach means you have to study and find out the conclusion of your own. Logic is required for solving such type of examples. Now, let us go for example 1. In figure, triangle ABC is similar with triangle MNO. We have to prove that number 1, triangle ABD is similar with triangle MNP. Number 2, BD upon NP is equal to AB upon MN. Number 3, write your conclusion of the results obtained in subquestion 2. Let us go for its solution. Triangle ABC similar with triangle MNO given. Therefore, AB upon MN is equal to AC upon MO. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Therefore, AB upon AC is equal to MN upon MO by alternando. Now, multiplying the denominator of both the sides, we get AB upon half AC is equal to MN upon half MO. So, AB upon AD is equal to MN upon NP. Angle A is congruent with angle M. Therefore, triangle ABD similar with triangle MNP by SAS test for similarity. Therefore, BD upon NP is equal to AB upon MN. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. So, we get the following conclusion or a result. In similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding medians is equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. Now, let us go for example 2. Quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Angle DCB is equal to 70. Then find out number 1, angle DCM. Number 2, angle A. Number 3, write your conclusion from result 1 and 2. Let us go for its solution. Angle DCB plus angle DCM is equal to 180, linear pair of angles. Now, substituting the value of angle DCB, we get 70 plus angle DCM is equal to 180. Therefore, angle DCM is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degrees. Number 2, angle A plus angle DCB is equal to 180, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Angle A plus 70 is equal to 180. Therefore, angle A is equal to 110. So, we get the following result. An exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is congruent to the angle opposite to its adjacent interior angle. Now, let us go for example 3. O is the center, R is point on the circle. Segment RM perpendicular to diameter AB. Answer the following. Number 1, is RM is equal to Km. Number 2, prove that RM is geometric mean of segment AM and segment BM. Number 3, if segment AR and segment RB is drawn, then what is measure of angle ARB? Number 4, if we use geometric mean theorem in triangle ARB, which result do we get? Number 5, compare the result obtained from 2 and 4. Now, let us go for its solution. Number 1, RM is equal to Km because perpendicular drawn from center bisects the chord. Number 2, Km into Rm is equal to Am into Bm. Reason is by theorem of internal division of chords. Now, substituting the value of Km, that is Rm, so we get Rm into Rm is equal to Am into Bm. Therefore, Rm square is equal to Am into Bm. Therefore, RM is geometric mean of segment AM and segment BM. Number 3, measure of angle ARB is equal to 90 because angle inscribed in semicircle. Number 4, we use geometric mean theorem in triangle ARB. Which results do we get? So we get the following result: RM square is equal to AM into BM. And number 5, the conclusion is the result obtained from 2 and 4 are same.